A lot is happening at the Walt Disney World Resort as Disney gets ready for the 50th anniversary of the Magic Kingdom and the resort as a whole. Work continues on the Tron Light Cycle Run roller coaster. This is the biggest project that is coming to the Magic Kingdom and is a massive addition to the Tomorrowland area. We don't know the exact opening date of this roller coaster, but Disney has stated that it will open sometime during the 18-month 50th anniversary celebration. At the front of the park, we can see something we didn't necessarily see last year: crowds. As the Walt Disney World parks increase their capacity, crowds continue to fill in. And here, at the front of the park, we can see scrims over the refurbishment of the Magic Kingdom Main Street Railroad Station. Next, we look at Main Street USA, where inside of these very buildings, Disney is adding and testing projectors for the upcoming Disney Enchantment fireworks show. This will be replacing Happily Ever After. In the far background, we can see Splash Mountain. This ride will be converted from its current theme and story over to one about Princess Tiana from The Princess and the Frog. This change was announced last year, but currently no work has begun in that area that we are aware of. We move on to Cinderella Castle, which is adorned in new decorations and rose gold colors. These decorations are now considered complete as Disney proudly presents the 50th anniversary Cinderella Castle look. In Tomorrowland, we can see the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover running once again. This ride was closed for a significant period for refurbishment, and we are happy to see it touring Tomorrowland once more. In the far background, you can see some of the famous Go Away Green paint color scheme that Disney uses to hide some of its show buildings. And in the back of Fantasyland, we can see that some work is happening on the exterior of the Be Our Guest restaurant. Lastly, we look over some of the resort hotels of the Magic Kingdom, like the Grand Floridian. It's hard to believe that this time last year, this was one of the main headquarters for the NBA. Major refurbishments at the Polynesian is nearly complete. You can look up a report on the new Moana rooms here on our YouTube channel. Want more construction updates? Head to our website, attractionsmagazine.com.